The ActivPanel Nickel is designed to provide you with everything you need right out of the box. It is internet-ready and pre-loaded with teaching tools. The front of your ActivPanel Nickel features menu options to adjust the volume, access the unified menu, and switch sources. Your ActivPanel Nickel has a pre-installed unified menu that contains the most commonly used tools right at your fingertips. These tools include our beloved whiteboard and annotate apps, the ability to capture anything on your screen, easily switch sources to connected devices, and use screen share for mirroring. Best of all, the unified menu is accessible from the bottom, left, and right sides of the ActivPanel to allow you seamless mobility and plenty of access for your students. To locate all of your favorite apps, tools, files, and settings in one location, select the locker icon from the unified menu. Promethean's classroom essential apps are pre-installed and the perfect supplements to your lessons, regardless of grade level or content area, including Annotate, Capture and Crop, Screen Share, Spinner, Timer, Activity Player, and Whiteboard. These apps were developed specifically from teacher feedback and are accessible from the unified menu and/or the locker. Additional features of your ActivPanel Nickel: Wi-Fi enabled, 15 points of touch, powerful audio, front-facing ports, and an onboard Android 8 operating system.